everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever accidentally deleted a video on your iPhone and thought it was gone forever, well, today's your lucky day. I'm gonna show you how to recover those deleted videos without needing a backup. Part 1. Is it possible to recover deleted videos on iPhone without backup? Can you recover deleted iPhone videos? Yes. If they're not overwritten, you can get them back. We've got the best solutions to help. Part 2. Recover deleted videos from iPhone without backup. Don't panic if you deleted iPhone videos without a backup. They're still on your device until overwritten. Use professional software like iOS Data Recovery to get them back. Step 1. After launching iOS Data Recovery, select Recover from iOS device and connect your iPhone to the computer through a USB cable. Then click Start Scan to let the program run a scan on your device. Step 2. Select videos from the left panel. iOS Data Recovery will scan your device for lost videos. Step 3. Once the scan is done, preview and select the videos you want. Click Recover to get them back. Part 3. Recover permanently deleted videos on iPhone from iCloud Backup. Option 1. Restore from iCloud Backup. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings, then choose Restore from iCloud Backup and log in. Option 2. Selective Recovery from iCloud.com. Go to iCloud.com on your browser and log into your account. Click on Photos and find the recently deleted folder. Look through the files, choose the videos you want, and click Recover to restore them. Part 4. Recover permanently deleted video on iPhone from iTunes Backup. Open iTunes, connect iPhone, click on Device. Go to General, select Restore Backup, choose Backup, and wait.